A powerful landing page builder allows you to create a highly converting standalone web page with a single focused call to action. Now, one of the main objectives of a landing page is to gather your audience's contact information in return for a special offer. Hey team, welcome back to this channel, and for those that are new here, my name's Stewart and I'm excited you could join us. Now today we'll be covering our top 5 free landing page builders for small business in 2021. Now, each of the landing page builders that we're going to cover in today's video stand out from other tools available on the market due to the ease of use of each builder, the free plan that each tool offers, the additional features each tool provides, and the overall design and responsiveness of each of these landing page builders. Okay, now just quickly before we launch into this comparative video, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to grow your small business online in 2021. And with that quick note out the way, let's go ahead and identify and discuss the top 5 free landing page builders for small business. Okay, firstly on the list we have MailChimp, which is an all-in-one email marketing platform. MailChimp is foremost a powerful email marketing tool that allows you to create and launch email campaigns, automations, build an email list, and also create landing pages. MailChimp offers users an easy-to-use landing page building experience, allowing complete beginners to quickly create a landing page in minutes and start collecting contact information. When building a landing page with MailChimp, you have access to a block builder, which makes the building process smooth and painless. And you also have access to landing page templates that you can quickly use to customize the way that you like, meaning you don't have to build a landing page from scratch. Now, one of the main reasons why we love using MailChimp is because this tool integrates so well with dozens of popular CRMs and other tools, which also have marketing capabilities to leverage following the audience information that you capture from the landing page that you created with MailChimp. From your landing page, you can basically build up your email list and launch email campaigns within MailChimp. Now, if you're looking to get started with email marketing and you're looking to build a basic but effective landing page, then MailChimp is the tool for you. Next on our list is the HubSpot CRM. This is a free CRM that allows you to create up to 20 landing pages for free. The big difference between HubSpot and MailChimp is that MailChimp has a focus on email marketing and HubSpot is a CRM. However, both landing page builders use a simple block building experience, making it a breeze to use and craft your landing pages. Again, similar to MailChimp, you have access to dozens of pre-made templates to simply build your landing pages from within minutes. The best feature of HubSpot's landing page is you do not need to worry about integrations with other email marketing tools or CRMs, as the HubSpot CRM allows you to capture contact information from the landing page, and this gets automatically added to your contacts. And with this information, you can directly communicate with your individual contacts, or you can engage in email marketing with HubSpot. Essentially, if you're looking to build a responsive and highly converting landing page, but you also want to engage in CRM activities, customer relationship management activities, then the HubSpot CRM is the only all-in-one tool that you will ever need. Third on our list is Google Sites. Now, this is not only a free landing page builder, but also a comprehensive website builder. With Google Sites, you have the option to build a single landing page or a complete multi-page website. Again, you can simply build from scratch or choose from the templates available. Now, this landing page builder allows you to build from layouts. All you need to do is select the layouts that you like, and then the elements, which include buttons, videos, documents from Google Drive, calendar, maps, and more. With Google Sites, you can go ahead and create multiple pages if you like. However, for a landing page, you only need to build one page. And then you have access to custom theme styles to choose for your own overall landing page look and feel. Google Sites stands out as one of our top choices for a landing page builder because Google Sites integrates directly with all your other free Google apps and tools. For example, you can embed a Google form to capture contact information from your audience, and then this information will be uploaded into an allocated Google Sheet. This is directly from your landing page. So basically, Google Sites is a great option for those that love working with Google products. Next on our list of best landing page builders for small business in 2021 is Ucraft. This is an excellent option for small businesses wanting to create a free professional landing page. One reason why Ucraft is a leading option is because of the extensive range of landing page templates to choose from. Again, similar to the other landing page builders we've discussed in this video, this tool uses a block building style experience to create your landing page. Now, the building experience can be slightly complicated and overwhelming for beginners with all the different customization options available. This is because this tool is also a complete website builder and not only a landing page builder. However, the end result of your landing page is one of the best, as it is an incredibly responsive and professional landing page when you build your landing page with Ucraft. Last but not least, we have Klaviyo. Now, this is the final landing page builder that we want to discuss in today's video. Klaviyo has a simple yet effective landing page builder. Now, this is one of the most basic landing page builders that we have discussed today. However, Klaviyo, similar to MailChimp, is an email marketing platform, ideal for e-commerce businesses, those that sell products online. Now, Klaviyo has many powerful free email marketing activities like email campaigns, building lists, sequences, and automations. One of these email marketing activities that Klaviyo provides is a landing page builder, or called a subscribe page in Klaviyo. This allows you to create a basic landing page to capture contact information from your audience for a particular email list that you want to build. Now, the landing page builder itself is not super appealing like the other builders that we've discussed today. As you can see, you have limitations and basic options and customization freedom with Klaviyo's builder. Klaviyo is an exceptional all-in-one email marketing platform ideal for small e-commerce businesses, those that sell products online and want to quickly build a landing page and engage in email marketing to build up their audience and community. And that is it for this landing page comparative video guide. Now, if you have any questions about this tutorial, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And that way I'll see you in our next video. Take care, guys.